Hello! I would like to show you the Efecte Identity Governance and Administration solution. Efecte IGA is one of the solutions running on the Efecte platform. With Efecte IGA, you can automate your identity and access management. You can also use Efecte IGA together with your ITSM solution to get more synergies out of both solutions. My name is Peter Schneider and I'm the Chief Product Officer at Efecte. The first thing I would like to show you is self-service for identity and access management. With Efecte IGA, employees can request access to digital resources directly from the self-service portal by choosing first a category to make things easier to find. For example, this user would like to get access to Efecte project management application. After entering the justification for the request will be automatically handled in Efecte. The user can also update their personal information, such as a new surname, or when moving to a new address. This request will be again sent to Efecte for automatic processing. In Efecte Service Management tool, you can see then these requests as they're being processed. For example, the updating of the personal information was completed automatically. And the request for additional access rights is now pending for approval from the line manager. Efecte IGA is powered by low-code workflow automation. The solution comes with a variety of pre-configured workflows that you can then adapt for your needs. Here's an example of a workflow for adding access rights. The workflow will first check whether the new request will lead to forbidden combination, then it will check that the requester is not also the approver, and then it will decide whether to have it approved by the direct line manager or by the line manager's line manager. Next, it will check whether the validity of the access right is already calculated or should be based on company policy. And finally, it will check whether the access right has been already granted previously. This will then lead to the orchestration node, which will then actually do the update in the Active Directory. Here in this example, we are choosing Microsoft Azure ID as a target. And there we will add the access right to the user. Automating identity and access management is not only a great way to deliver services to employees faster and with less resources, it can also help IT support persons in their daily tasks. Imagine the usual case of getting a call saying that I need to reset my password. Now, directly from the incident, we can trigger a password reset in the Active Directory. Here we're generating with one click the new password for the first login, and the workflow will take care of the rest. Now, with everything being taken care, we can return to our incident and essentially resolve the case. This is just one example how we can integrate identity and access management into IT service management and making these all part of a smooth delivery to end users. Managers also play an important role in the identity and access automation at Efecte. For example, managers can approve changes to access rights immediately from the self-service portal. Managers also have much more services related to identity and access management in the self-service portal. For example, line managers or project managers can create new users in the master data management system. Here, for example, a new profile for a trainee that works part-time can be created, and once the request is sent to the service management tool, the profile will be automatically created in the Active Directory. And once that is done, new access rights can be then added to that person profile. Managers, for example, can also lock accounts of their subordinates. For example, if a person is leaving the organization, you can lock their account and therefore protect all your enterprise resources that would have been available to them otherwise. And with few clicks, you can essentially make that request and have it then fully automated, executed. And here you can see, for example, in the service management tool, you can see then how that request to lock the account was fully automatically executed and the account in the Active Directory locked. Now, managers also have a lot of interesting views and dashboards that they can see in order to find out what's happening in terms of identity and access management, in terms of how much access rights being created, how much new service requests are being sent. And these views, like any views in Efecte, can be fully customized by the user themselves. These were just some of the highlights of the Efecte Identity Governance and Administration solution built on the Efecte platform. If you want to know more about Efecte and how we can help you with identity and access automation, please do contact us. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.